Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to export products from Woocommerce. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to WordPress and log into wordpress.com. Now make sure you're on Woocommerce. Now in order to do this, you'll have to simply navigate to the site and click on the products option. Here choose all products. Now this is going to show all the products you will have on your WooCommerce website. You can see all these products have been listed on my WooCommerce website. So in order to export these products, I'll have to simply click on the export icon just right here after products. Now it will take me to another page. So this is export products to a CSV file page where you can see I get the option to export all columns, products and categories. Now you can choose whether you want to export custom meta or not. So I will choose yes, export all custom meta. Now click on generate CSV. This tool will allow you to generate and download a CSV file containing a list of all the products. As you can see, this just downloaded an Excel file onto my PC. That is a CSV file. Now when you click on open file, it is instantly going to open the CSV file that just got downloaded. Now you can easily navigate back to another site, navigate to products, click on import, click on choose file, choose the product, click on open and click on continue. You can also choose to check this box that says existing products that match by ID or SKU will be updated. So click on continue button and this will import your product pretty easily. You can do the column mapping, importing, after that it will be done. So that is the simple way to export products from WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.